Hey guys, welcome back. I hope everyone's having a great week. Today I have this cool tone classic smoky eye. I actually wanted to do this look because, you know, it's summertime and everyone's doing like really bright, bold, beautiful bronzy looks or really colorful looks. But that's not everyone's jam, and I kind of wanted to keep it a little bit more neutral, a little bit more wearable for pretty much any event that you guys might want to go to. I know that it's summertime in Canada and we cherish our summers. A majority of the special events take place during this time. It's great for prom, it's great for weddings, it's great for parties, a night out. Anytime sort of a look. You can definitely tone this down whichever way you'd like it to, if this is too much for you, or you can amp it up, but this is the base that I wanted to lay down for you and kind of kind of do this in a way where it's easy for you to do but still look put together. So this week's giveaway is basically going to be on eyes and lips because that's what I focused on in this tutorial mostly. And for the eyes, I'm giving away the Sephora mini palette. It comes in 6 shades. And it's actually like a nice bronzy palette, so you can create smoky looks and daytime looks with this, which is why I really love this palette. It's really handy, really travel friendly, so you can just throw it in your travel bag and you're good to go. The next lip product that I have is the Huda Beauty Lip Contour and Strobe Kit. This is in the shade Bombshell and Ritzy. That's what I picked up. So you get a lip contour pencil, you get a liquid matte lip, and you also get a lip strobe. So you get 3 products in one, which I think is really cute. And how awesome is this packaging? It's such a cute packaging. I would just pop this up on my dresser and look at it because these are Huda's lips. That's it for me. We're going to jump right into this tutorial, so I hope you enjoy. I'm going to start by applying the Smashbox 24-hour primer, and I'm applying this straight onto my lids. You guys know that this is my favorite primer. Next, I'm going to go ahead and set with the NYX Mineral Set It Don't Fret It powder. I'm going to start by taking any black retractable waterproof pencil. This is by Rimmel, and I'm going to be outlining the rim of my eyes first. I'm also going to pop this on the upper lash line, just at the base of the lash roots. It should look something like this. It is a little bit messy, but we're going to be smudging this out. I'm just going to flip the pencil over, and this has like a nice smudger at the end of it, and I'm just going to use this to smudge it out. So at this point, your eyes should look something like this. It's still very smoky, as you can see. I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette, and I'll actually end up using the shade Suede right here. This is like a nice gray taupey. It's like almost like a brown, but it's more on the gray side. You don't want to take it too high up just yet. We will be blending this out and smoking this out even further. What I will do is take a fluffy brush like this. I'm going to dip back into Suede, and I'm actually going to use this as a transition shade just on my crease area. I'm going to go back in with my liner and work on deepening up that lash line even more. And continue to smudge. Next, I'm going to take this black shade right here, Black Truffle, on a Morphe M507 brush. It's like a fluffy pencil brush. It's very concentrated, and I'm going to dip it in very lightly. This is a very concentrated shade. It's really pigmented, and I'm going to start by applying this to the outer V area. Alright, so now your eyes should look like this. They look pretty sultry, but at the same time they also look a little messy. I do have some fallout down here. Not to worry, after we go in with foundation and concealer and all that, it'll balance itself out. But I'm going to be taking the same large blending brush without any product on here, and I'm just going to go in and blend out the edges. For the under eyes, I'm just gonna go back in and mix these two shades, the suede and then the black truffle, and I'm going to work on really smoking out the bottom lash line. I'm going to concentrate this just to the outer portion so that it's the smokiest out here, and then as it goes to the inner corner of the eyes, it fades into that nice suede gray tone. So because this palette doesn't have like a brow bone, like a neutral vanilla sort of shade for the brow bone, I'm gonna go in with my MAC Skin Finish. This is in the shade medium. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some mascara just to the upper lashes for now, and then because I'm gonna be applying some falsies, I'm going in with the Kush mascara by Milk Cosmetics. For lashes, I'm going in with this Kiss Lash Couture in a little black dress. So I just quickly wanted to jump on camera and show you guys the difference with these lashes on. So this is with lashes, this is without lashes. Both eyes look amazing. This is just with some mascara. It just really depends upon your preference. But I feel like if you're gonna go out for a night out or like a special occasion, these eyelashes are just perfect. And here we are with both the lashes on. They look absolutely amazing. I love them. I actually think that they're a great price point too for drugstore. I actually picked them up from Walmart. I will link the link down below, so you guys, if anyone's interested, you guys can purchase them straight from Walmart, or I think they're also available on the Kiss website. So at this point, what I just want to do is you just want to check to see if you really like what's going on in the eyes, the smokiness and things like that. I actually like to go in and make my eyes a little bit more smokier. So I'm going to dip back into the black with a pencil and just right on top work on smoking out that lash line a little bit more. Alright guys, so as you can see, I've done my base and the contouring. So I'm just going to move on. As you can see, I look as pale as a ghost right now. So I'm going to basically finish off the rest of the makeup. I'm going to be using a bronzer. For bronzing, I'm actually going to be using my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. So I actually decided to skip blush altogether for this, only because I kind of wanted the look to be mostly heavily eye focused. I am going to be setting my face with the All Nighter setting spray. And for highlighter, because I want the skin to be fairly natural, I am just going to be going in with the Josie Maran Argan Illuminating Veil. And as you guys can see, like, it just gives you that nice glow, but it's not so overpowering, not too over the top. For lips, I'm keeping it very simple. It's going to be a standard nude. I'm going in with Smoky Intense from CoverGirl. NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. This is in the shade London. I want to lighten up this color just a little bit more, so I'm going in with a Dose of Colors Desi Katie lipstick. This is in the shade More Creamer, Please. This is the finished look. As you can see, it is very simple. I left it all matte, not too much shimmer going on, but just something nice and clean and to wear for any sort of special events that are coming up. So if you like the tutorial, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so, leave some comments down in the section down below, and I will see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye for now.